In today's video, I'll teach you how to apply promo code on Whatnot app. First of all, launch open Whatnot application. You can see over here Whatnot application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to apply the promo code, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is find this option for payments and shipping and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. At bottom, you'll be able to find this option for promo code. So if you have the promo code, you'll be able to apply it over here. Tap on the field of promo code. Now what you have to do is enter your promo code over here. Make sure to enter the correct promo code. After you do that, tap on this option apply that you can see on the screen. Now the promo code will be applied and you'll be able to get the promised discount. So that is how you apply promo code on Whatnot app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.